Hello, fellow Rangers. Is Blue Power Ranger 92 here. Welcome to vlog number 40. And today we're having a look for this. This is a space pistol. I got it from dollar store. It's $5. And it looks like a stormtrooper gun from Star Wars, I think. Some detail right here, and you pull this trigger right here and shoot it like this, and again, and again. So yeah, you can look at this right here. It's huge, very. It's got black right here, all the way here, and this is a white color right here, and even this handle, white and black, and the blue right here, it lights up, and right here, it lights up like this. Very good toy gun. You can't see the hole, okay? Alright, is plastic. Not hard resin or anything. It's a good prop. Very good. It's a neat prop for that. When you find this gun like this, it's space pistol from a dollar store. It's $5. So pick it up and enjoy this plastic. And this sound sounds like a laser blasting sound effects using Star Wars films. This should make a new weapon for stormtroopers like this. And this laser color is blue. Very detailing. Say like this is futuristic pistol for feature cops, like Robocop of some sort. And it's very unique toy. I'll just keep shooting. I don't know for batteries of this. I think button battery right here. You gotta screw in here. Can't break this. It is plastic. It's a very neat toy. Sorry about that. That was my timer right here. So back to this. It's a very unique toy. And if you have to get the pop look like this, you like make your own fan film, you could possibly do that with this. Just call it Future Wars. I think that's a good title for a fan film. You probably should. And look at think it's not heavy. You can lift it up or catch it. Hey, alright, E.T. But hey, that's all. That's really very detailing. I've said it before, and I've been doing this all day. You shoot it everywhere. And that's all I had to say about this one. And also I was showing you is this one here. It's a Marvel Adventures Assemble 24 stickers. I got it for Easter. And some same heroes like Hulk, the Incredible Hulk, Captain America, Iron Man, and same and Thor. You could get this from a dollar store. I don't know how much cost is. Is this? Yeah, I'll give this Marvel Adventures Assemble 5 out of 10 right here. I'll use that for later. I'll give Space Pistol of 10 out of 10. Yep. Now, I'm watching YouTube. It's about a game, Resident Evil 7. It was released on what was it? June 24th, 2017. That's 3 months ago. January, February, and March. Now it's April. I haven't played this game yet, but I should. But it's a horror game, etc. And now, tomorrow, I'll do some more reviews. Later tomorrow. Just keep your spirits up. I'll be doing it on my way. Is this light bothering you? Or should I turn it off? I'll turn it off in a minute. Is this better? And I'll be talking about Justice 2. He's coming May next month. Of my ideas, like DLC pitch ideas for Injustice 2. Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk about it tomorrow. And so forth. And guess who's stopping by? Garfield, my kitty. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. You give yourself a batty wetty. He's laying in my bed. If you can see. You're so adorable. Say bye to the camera, okay? And also, I'll be doing some challenge tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, and that next week. I'll be doing a challenge. Some not kind of challenge YouTubers have. I'll be doing some challenge to myself, and yeah. Let's see what the mom's up to. What's going on?
My game's like one.
Your game's like one?
I just like one winning.
It's just a
and
game.
I run out of moves.
I know you will win. Huh?
Just get going.
Oh boy, she's something else. Back to my room. Hi, Carly. I guess I was, I've been busy yesterday. So today I'm here. And thank you for patiently of this video. Stretching my arms and my back. But I promise you guys, promise you, I'll do some review by tomorrow and some challenge, some kind of type of challenge I'll come up with in next week. From here to there. You know what I mean? And so yesterday, Mother and I went out somewhere, and guess what happened to my timer? You can watch, look. It's nearly broke, okay? My freaking timer. My timer. Look. Look at this. It's nearly fall off of this plastic thing. This is a little junk. But now on, I'm gonna use this. I'll show you this sometime like Sunday or Saturday to review this. Yeah, that's a good plan. I'll do a review tomorrow. I'll think of something about review, like a figures or something, or some cars. Yeah, some plastic cars. What I got. Just let me know in the comments below and request it. Thank you. That's all I can say, you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and that's all. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, morphin out.